Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make found poetry magnets. So you'll want to have some paper. This can be pattern paper, this can be magazine, clippings, stickers, anything that you want to use as the background of your magnet. The second thing you'll want to have are some glass cabochons. You'll want them to be more clear than frosted, and try to use ones that don't have cracks in them. You'll want to have some Mod Podge or any other gloss medium, and scissors, glue, pencil, and a paintbrush. And I forgot to film this, but you will also need a really strong glue, so you can use a glue gun or E6000 glue. Anything like that is gonna work. Next, you'll need some books that you don't mind cutting up for your found poems. Lastly, you're gonna need some magnets. These black ones are ones that you can find at craft stores. These do not work well, they're not strong enough. You're gonna wanna get some strong magnets. These are earth magnets, and they work really well for this project. Couple more optional things that you might use are stickers or any other flat embellishments that you think would go well in your magnets. And then if you have them, a circle punch is really nice for this, so you don't have to cut out your circles. However, the ones that I had were not the right size, so I didn't use them, but these are nice to have. Alright, so the first thing you'll want to do is trace and cut your circles out of the paper. You might cut it out and realize that it's not exactly the right size, so you can just keep trimming it until it fits correctly. Sometimes it's fun to use magazines to find patterns. I really liked this one. Once you've cut out all your circles, now it's time to cut out words and phrases out of your poetry books. And if you've never done found poetry before, I have another video, you can check it out. It kind of goes into more detail about how to do this process. Just finding words that stand out to you, cutting them out, and just creating a little pile of words that you're going to use later. Once you have as many words and phrases that you want to use, then now it's time to glue them down. You can kind of mess around with the different combinations, see how they sound, see how they look together, and just have fun with it, and you might be surprised by what kind of words and phrases come up. So I realized afterwards that I didn't need to use the glue stick. You can easily use the Mod Podge or the gloss medium that you have to attach these, but I'm just so used to doing found poetry with my glue stick that I just ended up doing that. Finally, it's time to attach your papers to your cabochons. This is where the Mod Podge comes into play. So you're going to start with a thin, even layer on both the cabochon and on the paper, just to make sure that everything is covered and that it's sealed and it stays well. Once you attach it, you'll add another layer to the back, just to make sure that it's really well sealed in there and it doesn't peel off. Alright, so before moving on to the next step, just make sure that your paper is completely dry, and go ahead and get out your glue gun or whatever glue you've decided to use for attaching your magnets. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know in the comments if you end up doing it, how it went for you. If you enjoy art and poetry related tutorials, then please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be making more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.